Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we're gonna be making healthy breakfast. This breakfast you probably never heard about it, but today add this breakfast to your diet is gonna change your life, man. I'm telling you, it's real. Even though you don't work out like that, still eat it, man. You don't need to work out to eat this kind of breakfast. All you need is oatmeal. You need your oatmeal and your protein, and last thing, your brown sugar. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys have this. If you can just devote your time to do this at least every single day, it's gonna change your life. I'm telling you, it shouldn't take more than 15 to 20 minutes. And for the oatmeal, I like to buy the old-fashioned. The old-fashioned is the better one. The one with the 1 minute one, don't do it. Don't get those one, man. I just really don't fuck with that. I feel like it doesn't give me enough nutrient. Let's get it, man. But before we go, make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, and let me know how you guys feel about this diet, man, about this breakfast. If it does help or not, let me know. Comment down below. You know what I'm saying? And I will see you guys in few seconds. Let's go. that's the end of the video, guys, and thank you guys for watching to the end. I really appreciate you guys, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below if you like this recipe, and let me know if it works for you. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure please subscribe. That's what I'm asking for. And they should be good to go. It's out right now. I can't even hold it like that. Woo! So yeah, thank you guys for watching now. I will see you guys in the next video, man. Let's go.